You're looking for a power amplifier with multiple channels, serious performance, and the ability to meet the highest expectations. This is the Amplitude 16 by Trinnov. With 16 channels delivering 200 watts into 8 ohms, it's a powerhouse in every sense. And if that's not enough, you can bridge channels to push performance even further. Up to 800 watts into 8 ohms, 1000 watts into 4. But then we asked ourselves,
what if there was more? More than power? What if sound could touch something deeper? I didn't want to just hear the music. I wanted to feel it, to sink into it, to get lost.
What if there was more? What if we could go beyond the technical perfection and reach into the soul of sound? For those who pursue ultimate fidelity, for those who seek harmony, purity, and dynamic expression without compromise, and for those who believe that music and film can still move us more deeply, we created something special. A custom modification that unlocks the true potential of this exceptional amplifier. Crafted with over 25 years of experience in refining and upgrading high-end audio and video components, this upgrade brings the Amplitude 16 to a level that even seasoned audiophiles rarely experience. Hear your music, feel your films all over again. Book your private listening session and experience the difference for yourself.